Hi guys, what's up? Make sure to like and subscribe. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a solar system project, but part 2. So I'm going to be showing you how to make Mercury orbit the Sun. So first you have to go into events right here. Get something called a when flag clicked. And then you want to go get a go to. So that's in motion. You're going to change that go to -35 and -3. That should make Mercury go right next to the Sun. And then you want to get an eraser from pen, but since you don't have it yet, go up into this like add in an extension, and you'll find pen. Click on that. It will take you straight to it. And then you want to go get this block called eraser. And then you want to get a set pen color 2. And then you want to do pen down. And after that, you should get a forever pointing direction first. And then you can just change that to 0. There. Then you get a forever loop. And then you want to get a move 6 steps. Well, move 10 steps and then change it to 6. And then after that, you want to get a turn right 15 degrees and change that to 6 degrees. No, not 6 degrees. 10 degrees. So this is what it's doing. So when you start the project, it's gonna go to these coordinates. It will erase all the pen on it, and then it will set the pen color to something, and then it will put the pen down so it can actually write, and then it will point in direction 0, and that's straight up. It will move 6 steps that way, and then turn 10 degrees, and keep on doing that forever until you stop the program. So now we just want to set the pen color to maybe the color of Mercury. So just choose a color like that by clicking on this bit and then hovering over Mercury, clicking on it. And that should set a good pen color. So now this orbits my Sun. And that's really all for now. And then I'll show you how to make Mercury in the next episode. So bye!